So I recently got this 8BitDo keyboard from Micro Center. It's a retro 108 mechanical keyboard. Unlike its predecessor that's a 10 keyless and only has 87 keys, this one has a full 108, and your girl needs her numpad. I do stuff in Blender. I need access to my shortcuts. Also inside the box is this big controller looking thing with these buttons. I'll get into that in just a little bit. We also have some stickers in here as well that I know I will absolutely never use, and this instruction manual too. Aside from those two, we also have this cord so we can plug this in and charge it. All right, now this controller, let's get into it. It has these two big buttons. It looks just like a Nintendo controller. You can program these two buttons to do whatever it is your heart desires. I don't know what I want mine to do. Now let's get into the actual design of the keyboard. Check out this NES colorway. Y'all, the various shades of gray is beautiful. We have the red lettering as well, which I actually love that it pops out so much. I actually became high-key obsessed with this palette. I ended up getting a couple other 8BitDo accessories, and I'll get into that in another video. But let's do a quick sound test. So let's talk about the keycaps. Everything you see on top of these keycaps is actually embed. It's not printed on, so it's definitely really good quality and going to last. This is pre-lubricated. These are hot swappable, but like, why would you want to swap these keycaps out? They're cute, right? Okay, in the back we have ports for those big buttons, and you can attach more if you want to. And then in addition to that, we also have the USB back here. I love this brick design. It reminds me of Super Mario, but you know what? Let me put that back in here before I lose it. Struggling a little bit. Okay. All right, got it in. Perfect. Now, these little stands are very substantial. They're quite heavy. I'm like really impressed with these for whatever reason. The overall design of this keyboard is just beautiful. I'm in love with it. I'm so glad that it caught my eye at Micro Center. I can't wait to add it into my keyboard rotation. If you've tried this keyboard, let me know what you think about it. But until next time, y'all, take care.